Hello Veggie Fit families, it's Dr. Yami and welcome to Veggie Fit Kids. It's Friday night and I'm going on a date with a very handsome dude. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pay for everything tonight. So here is my handsome date. I'm so excited to hang out with you tonight. Where are we going tonight?
I'm gonna have vegan sushi.
We're gonna have vegan sushi and then we're gonna do after that.
I'm gonna go to the movies.
Go see a movie together. So it's gonna be fun. My older son and my husband went camping, so we are going to have some fun tonight. All right. So do you wanna see what we end up picking at a sushi restaurant? You'll be surprised. All right, Desta, what you gonna order tonight?
2 sushi rolls.
You wanna have a Buddha roll and maybe an avocado roll?
Yes.
Those are your favorites. So we are here at Ozeki Japanese Restaurant, and they actually have an entire section of vegetarian rolls. So our favorite is the Buddha roll, which has tempura carrots, asparagus, and bean curd. And then my next favorite is the kanpyo, the pickled squash. But my kids also love the avocado roll, and really I like all of them, but those are my 2 favorites. Desta, do you like the miso soup?
Kinda.
Kind of. Do you want a miso soup tonight too?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. So I'm also going to order a garden salad. They have this lovely ginger dressing, and also I'm going to have a miso soup. Usually my husband and my older son also have a miso soup, and my husband has a garden salad, but with the little one, he's just all about the rolls. So, how many steps do you have today, Desta?
8,209.
Whoa, and what's your goal?
9,000 steps every day.
That's good. How many steps do you usually get every day?
I'm averaging around 14,000.
That's great. And what kind of things do you do to get all those steps?
I usually play basketball.
And you play at recess too and run around the house. Just be playing active, huh?
Yeah.
Good job. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Too. I'm ready for the food to come out. Love those Buddha rolls. So here is our sushi. What do you think, Desta?
Time to eat.
You ready to eat? Okay. And then I have my miso soup and my salad. All right, let's see what kind of damage we can do. Is it good? Thumbs up. You still going strong? Yeah, is it good? Okay, so I haven't even started yet, and he's taking care of almost 1 roll and half of another one, so. Uh-oh, putting the wasabi in there. Better be careful, it's gonna be too much. You gonna try that with an avocado roll? You better be careful, buddy. Oh my gosh. How is it? Your eyes are gonna water. You okay?
It's just a little bit spicy.
Just a little bit spicy. Okay, well I'm gonna start eating my rolls now. Well, everything is gone. Desta, was that delicious?
Yes.
And what percent full are you?
I'm about like 81.
81% full? Satisfied? That was delicious?
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks for coming and having sushi with me. Now, it's time to go see a movie. You ready to go see a movie? Okay, let's go. So as you can see, eating out at a Japanese restaurant can be a very good choice. Most Japanese restaurants are going to be able to make you some veggie sushi. It's very delicious, very filling. Miso soup is also a good option. You need to ask your server because not all miso soup is vegetarian, so ask about that. And salads, that salad was just scrumptious. They also have a seaweed salad that's delicious, but other things that you may not think of, like a veggie udon soup or fried rice without egg in it, a vegetable fried rice. Those are all great options that you can have at Japanese restaurants. Whenever you're ordering sushi, the things that you need to watch out for are the fish and the seafood, and cream cheese, which cream cheese is not Japanese, that's American, but we've Americanized some sushi rolls. But apart from that, they have lots of delicious ingredients that you can put into your sushi and have a really delicious meal. So I hope that was helpful for different ideas of eating in your town at local restaurants. So we just finished watching the movie Isle of Dogs. It was interesting, very different, pretty funny. It's probably been funnier than I thought it was because I didn't probably get all the jokes. But anyway, Desta, did you like it?
Yeah.
So we had a nice little date night, Japanese food, Japanese movie. Now it's time to go to bed and go to sleep. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned a little bit of something about how to order sushi at a Japanese restaurant. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, share it, comment below, and we will see you in the next video. Have a plantastic day.
Bye.
On that flight down, I was reading a book by Colin Campbell called The China Study. And it was that book that made me realize that a plant-based diet is really where I want to be. And I remember that Pamela, my wife Pamela, didn't make that trip with me. I went with her father. I went with my father-in-law. And when I got off the plane, I like to always text Pamela. And I didn't even really know what I was saying. I'll never forget it. But I text Pamela, I think I just became a vegetarian. Are you in? And she texts me right back. She texts back, I'm in. And so it was kind of one of those magic moments in life where you say, wow, that didn't even take any convincing or anything. I just knew that from other discussions we had had, by some of the courses that we've been to and conferences we've been to around the country, that this was something that we both kind of had in the back of our minds, that we needed to start walking the walk, that we needed to start taking the steps to get ourselves so that others can see what we're doing.